Welcome to the channel, everyone. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at a property in Envigado. We're on the 19th floor. It's a 2-bedroom apartment with elegant finishes, natural light. It's modern living for those that are looking to live in Envigado with a bit of a modern touch to it. The building was built 2 years ago. It has a pool, a gym, it has co-working. The apartment is sold unfurnished. It does include the induction cooktop though, that you'll see right here on the kitchen island, as well as the water heater is included. You get 2 covered parking spaces and a storage room with this property. Again, it's a 2-bedroom apartment plus the study, which the current owners are using it as a bit of a TV room. We're only going to be able to see the master bedroom here at the end, and the HOA prices are 600,000 pesos, which comes out to be about $160 per month. So we're gonna wrap this up here. I'm gonna let you guys finish watching the rest of the apartment here, and then at the end I'm going to show you exactly where it's located on the map. All right, so here is the property listed on our website. If you guys want to check out our website, it is medellinlivingrealestate.com. You'll find all of the information about the property on that page. And here we have I'll go a little bit over what we have here for this apartment. We have the price per square meter listed in Colombian pesos. We also have the asking price listed here in Colombian pesos, and we have it in dollars as well, US dollars converted into that. That will change because it's based off the exchange rate on the day, so that number will change. The Colombian peso number will not change. Let's go down towards the page and we'll come to the map. So where this apartment is located, it's located in La Quebrada. It's in the hills of Envigado, and I'll show you on Google Maps just a little bit more in detail of where we are. So let me zoom in so you can kind of read where we are. We are in the building, the Marroco Apartamentos, and I'll zoom out. And if we go down south, just 10 minutes in a cab ride, we get to City Plaza, Centro Comercial. This is a shopping mall. It has, good food court, good restaurants in there, good shops as well. Pretty much just like El Tesoro or Santa Fe or Oviedo in El Poblado. You also have a cinema there, so you can go watch movies. This is like a 10-minute cab ride, probably even less. And then to the left of where we're located is the main park of Envigado, which is about a 15-minute cab ride. So you're not too far away. Yes, you're in the hills, but you're also not that far away from many things around in the neighborhood. And La Quebrada is a residential area. It's very peaceful and quiet. So this area is going to be safe as well. All right, there you guys have it. If you guys are interested in this property, or maybe you guys are interested in a different property that's in Envigado, or maybe you want to look in El Poblado or Laureles, there's no problem. We also work there too. And if you guys are ready in 30 days to purchase, then go ahead and fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form. Someone on our team will contact you as soon as possible, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.